Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Synric portable air blower, otherwise known as an electric air duster off of Amazon. This one turned out to be one of the fastest ones I've ever tested, and it has a couple key features that are unique to this air duster that I've never seen any other ones on Amazon have. This has an adjustable speed on it, so you can change this wheel here to 100 different speeds instead of just the typical 1, 2, 3 that you see on other models. This also weighs less than a pound and can charge in under 3 hours. So let's get into the unboxing and review of the Synric portable air blower on Amazon. So like I mentioned, let's go ahead and do an unboxing here. I'm very excited to test out the stepless adjustment speed. I've not reviewed a single portable blower like this that has adjustable speeds. It's all been like 3 set levels. So quickly, let's get into here. We have a manual, always nice to see, and then the unit itself. It is a nice kind of clean gray look with nice orange buttons that are good and obvious to see. Standard brushless propeller design that we see on a lot of other models as well. And then we have our charging port in the front here, and our adjustable speed wheel right here. This is going to be fun to try out. You do also have different caps that you can attach and remove. Now these do just basically get pushed on and snap in, and they appear to be pretty sturdy. A lot of these that I've reviewed, the caps will fall off. That is not the case right here with the Synric. So let's keep going in here. We have more of a wide angle attachment here, pretty nice. And then a fine point attachment here. Continuing down here, we have a charging cable, USB-C. I like that it has the orange internals to match this right here. That's pretty unique. And then our little carrying band if you want it. So that is it. Looks like actually we do have a brush attachment right here, which this brush attachment can go onto the end of here. So that's actually pretty nice. But only comes with 3 different nozzles here. But you guys know my thoughts on this. I don't mind this. I don't like when I get 10 different nozzles for this thing because I'm probably only going to realistically use 1 or 2 of them. And it's nice to have the blower one, and that is easy to swap those because you can brush stuff up as you're blowing to kind of loosen it up, which is very cool. So we're going to get to the speed test here, guys. The record to beat here is 3,800 feet per minute. If this gets higher than 3,800 feet per minute, then it would be the fastest blower I've ever tested. So we'll see what we get here. Now we hit the power button. You can see that it's already on. And I can adjust the speed, get it to max. All right, looks like we were getting all the way up to 3,600 feet per minute, which is very good, but I'm gonna go ahead and charge this to full and we'll run the test again and see if it's any better. As this is charging here, we're getting a LED indicator, which is nice. So we are about 75% charged and it's going up to the max right now. Once that's fully charged, we'll redo that test. All right, we are all the way charged up. I've got this cranked up. Let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, I saw it get up to like 3,740, I think. So I would say that's basically a tie between this one and the other one that I reviewed that was 3,800. So not a bad blower fan at all in terms of speed, but let's go ahead and test it in a couple different use cases and see how well it performs. So if you've never tested one of these before, it's actually insane how much airspeed they give out. You can see my garage is a bit dirty down here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and almost use it as a leaf blower, and you guys will be able to see just how insane this really is. I mean, I am like 5 feet away and it's blowing these leaves literally without issue. So another thing that I've seen people do, and I actually really like that right there. I do wish that maybe as you went all the way down, it would turn it off, but still it's so low, it's barely doing anything. I have seen people in the past that they have like snow on their car, use this to blow the snow clean off, which is pretty crazy. But I mean, very impressive with the leaves here. The thing has a ton of wind speed. This can also be used to blow out like dusty equipment. So we'll see here that I should be able to just kind of dust all that out, and like that, it's brand new. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Synric. It is a pretty powerful blower, and I will leave links to it down below in the video description and in the pinned comment. Definitely check it out. I will also leave some other tech reviews up here to check out on your way out. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews.